This video from Red Heart will show how to make a slip stitch. Make a sample chain of 20. Ensure the chain is not twisted and find the first chain. Insert the hook into the top loop. Yarn over. Pull through the chain and the loop on the hook. This completes the slip stitch. Another example of the slip stitch is after the first round. After making the last single crochet, insert the hook under the top 2 loops of the first single crochet. Yarn over. Pull through the loops and the loop on the hook. This completes the slip stitch. Another example of the slip stitch is on a row. A slip stitch or several slip stitches can help position the hook in the middle of a row for a new section. This completes the slip stitch. This video was brought to you by Red Heart at redheart.com.